Hey y'all, I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's unbox some packages. These are Christmas packages and some office supplies that I need to stock up on. Here you see that I accidentally opened a package that was for my husband. I thought I had everything separated out. Obviously I did not, but I did end up finding out that that was not my present. I ended up getting a blue one just like it from him. Here's my 505 spray with the damaged lid. Not that worried about it. So threw the lid away. Let's move on. Here is some new shoes that I got from my mom. Absolutely love them. She loved them, so that worked out great. The next package is some clear bins that I got off Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and link everything in the description. These are for my son's room, and I actually might end up using one of those for my office for something, but he has cars and monster trucks everywhere, and it was getting out of control, so I needed bins to put it in. Here is some shoes that I got for my husband. Those are really cute. He wears those to work all the time. And this box is some cologne. He loves wearing Abercrombie & Fitch. If you know, you know. It smells delicious. So got him some of that for Christmas. Packaged that back. And he can always tell what it is. So I left it in that big package so he wouldn't know what it was. This is a holder that I got, and I don't like the shiny colors, so I'm actually going to return it and get more of a matte color. It was for my daughter and son's toothbrush and like their brushes and stuff. Here are some super cute shoes that I got for my son, but they're too small, so I'm gonna have to return those and get a different size, or I might keep those for my daughter for later on because she's literally like right behind him in shoes. Here is a cute little mop and broom set. They love watching me clean and helping me, and then I realized I already had bought one, so one of them has to go back. And there is my magnets and my heat and bond that I bought for the office. Here is some sweatshirts that I got from Mardi Gras, and I love this purple color, and I'm just trying to figure out what to put on them. If y'all have any ideas, drop comments and let me know. I also got some more red rompers for Valentine's Day to stick in the boutique because I've already sold out of what I had. This is another deal that I got, or it's a deal that I got from ARB Blanks. It is really cute long sleeve dresses for little girls. So I got purple for Mardi Gras and I got red for Valentine's Day. Absolutely love those. And the last thing I had was some Target tags. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.